In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix websites not opening on any internet browser in Windows 11. If certain websites won't load in Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any other browser, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try to solve the problem. Let's start with the first fix. Open the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings app to open it. From the left-hand menu, select Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Proxy. Make sure Automatically Detect Settings is turned on. Then check the Proxy Server section and make sure it is turned off unless you specifically use a proxy connection. Once you've verified those settings, close the window. Now open the Start menu again and search for Control Panel. Launch Control Panel and make sure View By is set to large icons. Click on Network and Sharing Center. From the left side of the window, select Change Adapter Settings. Locate the network connection you're currently using, right-click on it, and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, also known as IPv4. Then click Properties. At the bottom of the window, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, enter 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers and can often solve website connection problems. Click OK to save the changes and close the window. Next, we'll reset some network components using Command Prompt. Open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. netH winsock reset. After that, type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig/flushdns. These commands reset network settings and clear the DNS cache, which can resolve many browsing issues. Once both commands have completed successfully, restart your computer. After restarting, try opening the website again and see if the issue has been fixed. If websites are still not loading, there is one final solution you can try. Open Settings once again and go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click Network Reset. Then click Reset Now. This will completely reset your network configuration and reinstall your network adapters. Your computer may restart automatically during this process. Once the reset is complete, reconnect to your network and test the websites again. In many cases, these methods successfully fix website loading issues across all internet browsers. And that's how to fix websites not opening on any browser in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides.